At the end of this video, I'll fit these laptops into the 5.11 RUSH24 2.0. Hi, I hope you all been well. This video is going to be an overview of the 5.11 RUSH24 2.0. Let's check this out. First, let's look at the updates that is made to the 2.0. First, the 2.0 is not field tested by VTech, as you can see at the brand label here. So in the old one, there's this field tested by VTech label there. This is no more here. So and they also remove the drainage hole here and at the bottom of the back, and they also remove this friction pad. Another thing is, in the older generation, there's two keychain loops. This is only one. I'm not sure about this because I don't have a previous generation RUSH24. What I do have is the RUSH12, which has two. So don't quote me on that. Then, of course, the main update for the 2.0 series is, of course, the CCW compartment, which is well looped with Velcro loops, and of course the laptop compartment, well padded, and the laptop compartment is actually about 1 inch elevated from the bottom of the bag, so when you put the bag on the floor, it doesn't hit the laptops. Well, so this is the main update. I'll show you a little bit on the older models. So as you can see, there's this field tested by VTech label here, and here's the drainage hole. There's two on the bottom, and this friction pad on both sides. So other than the updates, the rest remain the same. So it has the same front exterior and the same side exterior with a side compartment. So about the same back exterior, well padded, the same yoke system strap. Yeah. So of course the same admin compartment in the front section here. So the layout is all the same. Right. The same for the top compartment as well. This is both sides. Right. And internally, that's the same two. This is the same two mesh compartment here. You do have this thing, which is the fleece pocket which you can access at the top here. Right. So of course, you still get the hydration compartment here. So well, that's all the thing that remains the same. So the 5.11 RUSH24 2.0 comes in 6 colors. What I'm wearing now is the Python, and they do have this dark navy, and also the double tap. What I do not have here is the black, ranger green, and kangaroo. So 6 colors. So the RUSH 2.0, I think, is made for the urban environment with a laptop compartment. So for most of us that would consider the 2.0, I think would want to put a laptop inside the bag. So I make a fitting. There's 2 laptops already in this bag, so we'll look at how it fits. So this is a Asus TUF. I'll leave a link or maybe the dimension in the description below, so you can check and compare it to your laptop, and hopefully it will help you in the purchase. So this is a 15-inch laptop. So as you can see, it just goes right below the flap. So I think this is still comfortable right on this one. Right. However, on this one, which is also the same laptop, a Asus TUF, a previous generation, an older generation, which is a little bit longer. So when it's fitted inside the compartment, the edge of the laptop is actually sticking out right here on the top of the laptop. So I am not particularly fond with this kind of thing, so I think it doesn't fit well for a larger laptop like this one. But however, do check out the dimension and compare it to the laptop that you are having. So I hope the fitting of the laptop would help you with your purchase. Well, that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll do more of this kind of video in the future. And I'll leave a Amazon affiliate link in the description. So if you decide to get one of these bags, do use my link. It will help me sustain this channel in the future. Well, I think that's all for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.